Hey Tuck followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EcoCloud Mattress by Winkbeds. Now Winkbeds is known for making a luxury hybrid bed, and now they're making a latex hybrid bed with the EcoCloud. How does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Our mattress testing team today includes lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Zach, and heavyweight sleeper Alandris. To unbox the EcoCloud mattress, grab a friend and move the box to its final destination. Remove the roll-packed mattress from the cardboard box and unwrap the plastic. Give it about 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. The EcoCloud is a 13-inch latex hybrid mattress. The cover is made from 100% organic cotton and New Zealand wool. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of Talalay latex over 2 inches of zoned Talalay latex. The support core consists of 8 inches of pocketed coils over a 1-inch high-density base foam. EcoCloud mattress falls at about a 6 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium firm mattress. The EcoCloud feels more like an innerspring than a foam mattress, so it won't conform closely to a sleeper's body, and sleepers will feel like they're sleeping on and not in the mattress. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers while sleeping on their side. As you can see, all 3 of our sleepers received adequate support, but our average weight sleeper received better support than our other 2 sleeper weights. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a water glass on one side of the mattress and have our heavyweight sleeper Alandris move around the opposite side. As you can see, as Alandris moves around, that water glass does stay fairly stable. But we did find that when using sleepers to test the motion isolation, there was quite a bit of motion transfer, which is not surprising given the latex hybrid construction of the mattress. Edge support refers to how much a mattress pushes back against a sleeper when sitting on or sleeping close to the edge. All 3 of our sleepers felt well supported when sitting on and sleeping close to the edge of the bed. That's thanks to the construction of the bed and specifically the lower gauge coils around the perimeter. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell just how much pressure the EcoCloud can relieve from a sleeper's body. All 3 of our sleepers received adequate pressure relief from the EcoCloud mattress. That said, when you take a look at the readings, our light and heavyweight sleepers did experience some pressure on their shoulders and hips when sleeping on their side, while our average weight sleeper felt very little pressure across all 3 sleeping positions. Taking a look at temperature neutrality, we found that it's a key strength of the EcoCloud mattress. This can be attributed to its construction. Between the organic wool cover, the breathable latex comfort layers, and the pocketed coil support core, sleepers will find that there's significant airflow throughout the mattress, and they'll sleep quite temperature neutral throughout the night. Now, let's check in with our sleepers. Zach, what did you think of the EcoCloud?
I thought it was pretty good. I'm a back sleeper. This is a firmer mattress, so it was certainly comfortable for me.
I thought it was okay. It's a little too firm for my preference. As a side sleeper, I just wouldn't be comfortable.
It's just too responsive. This is the type of bed that I would wake up exhausted after a night's sleep, chasing that elusive sweet spot all night.
If you had to pick the most comfortable sleep position for this bed, what would it be?
Probably my back, and I'm usually a side sleeper, but I just felt the back was the most supported on this one.
So back sleeping would be your preferred position on this bed?
For sure, yeah, and I think it really suited back sleeping quite well.
How about sleeping close to the edge? Do you feel like you might roll off or pretty supported?
No, I think being so firm, that edge support just followed through.
Felt real loose on the edge to me, and I sank. I was definitely in the bed.
Now how about getting in and out?
That was okay. That was not a struggle. So yes, I'll give it a positive mark on that.
Now, what about motion isolation? Could you feel partner disturbance?
I think you would with this one. It does have a little bit of a springy quality to it, and that latex layer is not super thick. I would like to just a little bit more.
The glass did well, but every other motion test we did, in my opinion, failed because of the responsiveness, just too much movement.
It didn't perform that well for me. I could definitely feel someone getting in and out of the bed, so that would be a disturbance for me.
Well, how about temperature neutrality? Did this thing sleep hot or stay cool?
No, I think it does have that going for it. It's definitely cooler.
Nice and cool. I don't think there would be any issues with that at all because you're so much on top of the mattress.
All right, works for me. Thanks so much, dude.
Thank you.
Now let's take a look at how the EcoCloud stacked up in our mattress tests. The EcoCloud mattress is a very responsive latex hybrid, so sleepers will feel less conforming and more like they're sleeping on versus in the mattress. Support was good for light and heavyweight sleepers and very good for average weight sleepers. Motion isolation was fair and edge support was very good. Pressure relief was good for light and heavyweight sleepers and very good for average weight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was very good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The EcoCloud comes in one firmness option, so if you know you want a particularly soft or firm bed, you're going to need to look elsewhere. Our testing found that this mattress is actually a bit firmer than advertised. We would actually push it up to a medium firm mattress, not a medium mattress. If you like the feel of an all foam mattress, so you like sleeping in versus on the bed, you're going to want to look for a different option. Heavyweight sleepers might need a bit firmer, more supportive mattress to suit their needs. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Eco-conscious sleepers will like the materials used in the story behind the EcoCloud mattress. Back and stomach sleepers should find the support they need with the EcoCloud. Sleepers that tend to run hot will appreciate this bed. It should not trap much body heat throughout the night. Here's some additional information you'll want to know before purchasing the EcoCloud mattress. It comes with a 120-night sleep trial, ships free in the contiguous United States, and has a lifetime warranty. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review at tuck.com. That's it for our EcoCloud mattress review. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or the full written review at tuck.com. And don't forget to check us out on social. We're on Facebook, Twitter. We're always doing great giveaways and we'll keep you up to date on the latest in sleep products and sleep research. Sleep well.